Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the outdoor string lights. Color changing string lights with 15 LED bulbs, controlled by our phone app. It's waterproof, shatterproof, 49 feet length, and it is extendable. This is really awesome. Color wheel and custom scene for various occasions. Design your own look with DIMMABLE bulbs. The XMcosy App built-in RGB digital color palette helps us to create light style as we are going to wish. They also prepare a variety of scenarios and timer to light up our parties and holidays in the app if we feel it complicated. What's more, to maximum head of our inconvenience, they considerately make the outdoor string lights also work with Alexa and Google Assistant. Totally smart LED string lights let us courtyard be the most dazzling on the street out there. Use SMART AMBIENCE MOBILIZER. The app prepared various lighting styles for the light strings, such as breathing, flickering, or fixed. Pick the ambient motion you mostly like to be at any time. Their outdoor string lights transform our house, exterior, or courtyard into both a club or cafe. The ambience LED outdoor string colorfully lights our pergola, courtyard, or other outside spaces. It's a great atmosphere where we can enjoy the party or relax in the evening. Fashionable and classic coexisting Edison bulbs. The XMcosy Plus colored string lights made by fairly new LED technology but retro Edison light bulb design. The LED light emitted diode Edison bulbs is a fact that they last 5 times longer than the incandescent bulbs and use a fraction of the electricity they use. The design can accessorize vintage or styles of Victorian steampunk. Even modern home can use Edison light bulbs to merge cleanly lined fixtures with ornate, complex filament designs. And it's a low price to get quality commercial grade. The XMcosy Plus LED outdoor string lights can be more than 15 bulbs or 49 feet, which is extendable up to 3 controllers. Wow, the weatherproof design makes the string lights outdoor no need to be uninstalled under bad weather. These string lights are IP65 waterproof and have withstood a hurricane blowing at even 50 miles per hour. Whatever how bad the state climate we live in, we can breezily hold up in holiday parties or outdoor event without worries. And it looks so brilliant. The colors are really good. It's easy to install and the app is nice to use. It is an app built-in color wheel. Still using an extension switch to adjust your outdoor string lights? Still looking for colors on complex remote buttons? Now the control of the XMcosy Plus outer string lights definitely belongs to us. Just download the app, Android or iOS, connect Wi-Fi, then swipe on our smartphones with the XMcosy Plus. We can pick the colors from app built-in color wheel and custom scenes. It has set color effects for some scenes of special days. Just tap the icon on the app. Lights will change into suitable colors. Of course, the XMcosy Plus provide custom scenes, whether memorable accessories or home decorations. The XMcosy Plus outer string lights never stop shining. And it works with Alexa. We don't even need a mobile phone to control the XMcosy Plus LED string lights. If our phone is not around, tell Alexa and your bulbs can still be lit. In addition, we can also set schedule for our string light on app, and it will be automatically turned on and off at set time. IPX65 waterproof. Ooh, this is nice. The LED outer string lights consist of heavy-duty wire and shatterproof bulbs with sealing technology. Whether it is windy or rainy, the string's lights can light up your surrounding. And it's really easy to install. Each socket has a hanging hook above, makes it easy for hanging with hooks, guide wires, or zip ties. Linkable and extendable. Whether it is a patio, backyard pool area, or wedding scene, whether it is a small gathering or a large event, extendable lengths allows us to create the ambience freely. The sockets of string lights will be fixed by rotation, able to prevent falling off. And this is really easy, as you can see in that video, to attach this super bright LED string lights on your theme. After this, connect the app with our WLAN wireless LAN. Then you can remote control these outer string lights where and when you are liking this. And if you extend it with up to 2 more smart outer string lights, you have a really, really long 150 feet long RGB smart outer string lights. This is super awesome, and the quality of the product is nice. It is really waterproof and easy to attach, easy to assemble, and of course using the app to an easy app using thing. Of course you can use Alexa with it, and there is a button on the smart outer string lights itself, so you can push the button to use that. Outer string lights by XMcosy Plus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.